Now I want to create a budget. I'm going to every day to decrease according to a plan. So for example, this is I have to plan to be tested, to test every day. So the first day I have this, the second day I have this minus this, and then there in the third day, on the third day I have this result minus again 20. So I'm going to create my burn down chart, starting here with a date. Here is the plan. Okay, plan. Going to do the same for, I want to leave 2 lines here. Work day, the start date is this one. Sorry, inputs, start testing date, and I calculate this using this formula. Columns, okay, of this one, so I'm gonna close this, and here I put star on the first one, and the second one I put a star on this number 2, which is the row number. Okay, this, and then I'm being asked also to include the holidays, and the holidays is holidays. And I close this, and here we are. And then I'm going to format this. Okay, I'm going to center this. I have to do this -1 because columns of this range, the number of columns in this range is 1, but the number of days from the starting day is 0 because I'm in this date, so I have to make -1. The second one is basically the same. If I'm going to drag this, you see, okay, second one is H2. 2 is the row, which is fixed, and the column is H. So I'm moving, so my range is 2. Now I have 2 columns, -1 is 1 day more. Okay, look here, from the 12th to the 15th of May, there is a weekend, so the 13th and the 14th are not displayed. So because I'm using the work day, if I continue to drag this, you will see what's going on. Here, for example, May, look, 24, May, we jump to the 29th, because if I'm going to holidays, 25th and 26th are public holidays, so are holidays. And so 24, but 25, 26 are public holidays. 27, 28 are the weekend, so it's jumped. Okay, and then I can continue. What is the projected date? Continue this, okay? But I'm going to use this always. So what I'm going to do is, okay, I leave it here. I leave it here. So here you can see that I have the 15th of June. Now, here I'm going to just make a reference to this. That's it. Center, and I'm going to drag this. Okay. Very good. Now, plan. I'm going to report here this number on each day. Okay, But this number is evaluated focusing on a target date of the 11th of June. So I have to do the following. This day, I'm going to report this one, otherwise 0. So I can plan days only, okay, I plan only until this date, okay. Now I'm going to do some reference. So G8, so the column varies, not the row, and C8 is absolute reference, so $C, $8. Okay, C6 here that I have 0. Okay, for actual we're going to do the same, okay, where this one is the actual. Okay, so the same format. I'm gonna report this. Okay, here where